everyone, welcome back to How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Halifax Bank account. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser in order to start. In the address bar at the top, type in www.halifax.co.uk and press enter. You'll end up in the official website for Halifax Bank. If you're not enrolled for online banking yet, you can click on this register link with the pencil icon in it and register yourself to a new account first. Once you have an account, you can simply click on the sign in button if you'd like to log into your account at the top right. Soon after you hit the login button, you'll be taken to the login area for Halifax Bank. Go ahead and enter your username into the first text box that you see. Go to the password text field and type in the password for your account. If you want to double check your password, click on the show link right next to the password box, which will help you reveal your password. If you'd like the system to remember your username into the particular device, click on this box right here that says remember my username on this computer. But if you are using a public device or a shared device, uncheck this box. But in case you've forgotten your username or your password, or both, you can click on this forgotten your sign-in details link at the bottom and follow the instructions to look for your username or to reset your password to a new one. Finally, after everything's typed in, click on continue in order to log into your account. That is how you'll be able to log into your Halifax online banking account quick and easy using your computer. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with some more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.